Welcome to TechSphere, your gateway to the future of technology.
The future of coding is changing, faster than ever. AI can now write code in seconds, something that took humans hours. Many programmers wonder, will AI replace them entirely? The truth, AI isn't replacing programmers, it's enhancing them. AI handles repetitive tasks, letting humans focus on creativity. Debugging, testing, optimization, AI does it in a fraction of the time. But human intuition, design thinking, and problem solving, AI can't replicate. The best coders of the future will work with AI, not against it. Imagine a world where coding becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient. No more boring, repetitive tasks, just focus on building the future. AI doesn't replace the human touch, it amplifies it. Tools like AI code assistants are already transforming the tech industry. From startups to giant tech companies, AI is a game changer. But the most important skill? Knowing how to use AI effectively. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to expand your possibilities. Imagine ideas coming to life in hours, not months. Whether you code in Python, Java, or JavaScript, AI is your partner. The future coder teaches AI, and AI helps them code better. Careers will shift, but the demand for skilled programmers will only grow. Tech innovators of tomorrow? They'll embrace AI, not fear it. Complex problems become solvable faster. Ideas become reality sooner. It's not man versus machine. It's human plus AI. The global tech landscape is evolving, and so should your skills. Learn AI tools. Learn to collaborate with them, and you'll thrive. The future isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying human potential. Your creativity combined with AI speed is unstoppable. So will AI replace programmers? No, it will make them unbeatable.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.